Hi everyone, my name is Lindsay and this channel is dedicated to short how-to tutorials with the purpose of teaching you a variety of skills. Please like and subscribe for future content. Let's get started. Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet tool that enables users to format, organize, and calculate data in a spreadsheet. By using Excel, data analysts and other users can make large amounts of information easier to view as data is added or changed. And today we'll be talking about the topics covering data entry into Excel, constant values and formulas, and entry completion methods for input. So basically there are two types of entries that go into Excel. You have constant values like words, hello, you have numbers, and you have letters. Now, constant values are staying constant. They're not moving, they're not changing, they're not going to adjust when you adjust another cell. Formulas, and I'm not expecting you to understand this right now, are just that. They're a formula to add something or to average something or to multiply something. So this formula right here is the sum of A1 times A2. So basically there's going to be a problem with this entry because there's a letter or there's text in A1. So there's going to be a value error, just like we got right here. Well, we can see that there's a formula in this formula bar right here. So we've got constant values and formulas. Now let's wipe that out and move on. So there are four ways to enter information with Excel. You can use the enter bar and it'll take you to the next cell below it. You can use the tab button and it'll take you to the cell to the right. You can use the arrow keys like I am right now, and you can go up, down, left, and right. So I'm using the arrow key to go down. And then there's also the escape. Say that I want a 9, but I enter 49. I can press escape, the cell will remain active, and I can press 9 and complete my entry. So let's go over that again. Enter takes you to the right, enter takes you down, tab takes you to the right, arrows take you left, right, up, and down, and escape leaves the cell active and lets you enter those again. Now let's do a short Excel data entry exercise. We're going to do weekend hours, if I can spell it, worked. So this is for a caterer named Mary. So we're going to put her name here. And there are three people who work under her: Patricia, Steve, and Lori. Now they each work on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Now I'm going to enter some dummy numbers in here so we can play around with this. 8, 7, and 9, 5, 6, and 7, and 8, 8, and 8. Okay. So I've just completed a data entry exercise for Excel. Now weekend hours worked is my short data entry exercise. Now you might think, what's this useful for? Now if I entered a formula down here to see how many hours were worked total on Friday by everyone, and I'm not expecting you to know this right now, but I could enter equals the sum of, and then select these cells and press enter, and it gives me 24. There were 24 hours worked for Friday. Now you can see how this might be useful in a situation where Mary wants to know how many hours were worked Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And I can also grab this little guy right here. When the cursor turns to a black cross, I can drag it across And now I have all the numbers for hours worked, 18 on Saturday, 24 on Sunday. So that was a short tutorial, and I'm not expecting you to remember that because I didn't go in depth about formulas and how they might be useful in this scenario. So this covered entering data into Excel, constant versus formulas, and entry completion methods. I hope you found this video useful and hope you will like and subscribe to future videos. Thanks!